Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make banana and peanut butter wrap in a molo wrapper. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We need bananas. I chop into small pieces like this, and then egg wash, and then breadcrumbs, peanut butter, and then molo wrapper. Okay, it's like this la guys. Like this. We're gonna one in by the fork, mash it by the fork, and then just put a little peanut butter, okay, and then we're gonna put egg in both sides. Okay, and then we're gonna do like this. Okay, and then put it in the egg wash like that, and then breadcrumbs. Okay guys, so it becomes like this guys. Okay, like that. It's not super good guys, but it's okay, I can still handle, but it's nice if we have nice gloves. Okay, like that, and then put a little peanut butter. And then okay, and then like that. Okay, and then egg wash. Okay guys, and then breadcrumbs, and then we're gonna do it until it will be finished. Okay, so same process. Okay, this is it. I made only 10 pieces guys. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay, 5 pieces. Okay guys, so this is it. Okay guys, so it's done. Our banana and peanut butter wrap in a molo wrapper. Look at that one guys, it's good for snacks. Banana and peanut butter wrap in a molo wrapper. It's super yummy guys. So this is it. Look at that one. It's good for snacks guys. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our banana and peanut butter wrap in a molo wrapper. Okay, so it's super yummy. So I'm gonna taste it guys. Okay. Look at that one. It's super yummy guys. The peanut butter and the banana. The peanut butter and the banana. Okay guys. Banana and peanut butter wrap in a molo wrapper. Okay, so it's super yummy and it's good for snacks for the kids. Okay guys, thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.